Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the loudspeaker ringer on the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. Be careful when removing the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached. Take out the back cover and then remove the logic board cover by undoing 7 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug and free the fingerprint bracket. And then disconnect the fingerprint plug. Now the back cover can be fully separated from the phone's body. Next, take out the cover by undoing 7 screws. Gently take out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the LCD plug and 2 antenna heads from the board. And then undo the screw holding the board. Next, gently pull out the charging headphone board from the body. Next, gently take out the not working speaker unit using a tweezer. Next, place and secure the new speaker on the body. Next, place and secure the charging port board in the body. Next, secure the board by adding the screw. Next, secure the LCD plug and 2 antenna heads to the charging port board. Finally, secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the fingerprint plug and the bracket. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the logic board cover by adding 7 screws. Next, before closing the device, always turn on the device for testing. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clip securely. Also, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.